Creating a campaign overview for clients or teams can be challenging if you don't know where to start. But today, I'll show you exactly how to create one quickly and effectively so you can save time and provide value in just 3 minutes. The first thing you need to do is get a clear understanding of the campaign's objectives. What is the goal of the campaign? Whether it's brand awareness, lead generation, or driving sales, knowing the end goal will help you tailor your overview. This ensures you're aligning everything to what matters most for your client or team. Once you know the goal, break it down into key components. Start by outlining the audience. Who are we targeting with this campaign? Age, interests, location, all of this matters. By defining the audience clearly, you'll ensure your strategy is aligned with the people you want to reach. Next, detail the campaign strategy. This is where you lay out the high-level approach. What tactics will be used to meet the objectives? Will it involve paid ads, organic content, email marketing, or something else? Be specific here, but keep it simple. You don't need to go overboard with the details. Just enough to show how you plan to reach the audience and achieve the goal. After you've covered the strategy, it's time for your key metrics. What are the benchmarks of success? Whether it's conversion rate, ROI, or engagement, outline the key performance indicators, KPIs you'll be tracking. These metrics will guide you in evaluating the campaign's success and give your clients or team something tangible to measure progress against. Now, let's talk about the creative assets. This is where you quickly outline what kinds of creative content will be involved. Graphics, videos, or copy. Also, clarify who will create these assets and when they're expected to be ready. A timeline for the production of these materials ensures everything stays on track. Next, organize everything into a timeline. Having clear deadlines for each phase of the campaign will help your client or team visualize the whole process. This will also help you keep your deliverables on time and avoid last-minute surprises. Finally, wrap it up with a brief budget overview. If relevant, outline the budget allocation, how much is being spent on each part of the campaign. This gives your client or team a full picture of the campaign's scope and costs. So, to quickly recap, to create an effective campaign overview for clients or teams, first understand the campaign's objectives, define your target audience, outline the strategy, identify key metrics, mention creative assets, set timelines, and provide a budget overview. The key takeaway here is that a campaign overview should be clear, concise, and aligned with the campaign's goals. If you follow these steps, you'll have a solid framework for any campaign overview, ensuring that everyone involved stays informed and focused. Before I wrap up, I want to remind you to take advantage of the exclusive free trial of our recommended software, available in the description below. It's a great tool to help you manage and track campaigns effectively. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.